Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with learnpythontutorial.com, and in today's tutorial we're going to talk about the lstrip string method. Now the lstrip string method will remove content from the left side of a string. The lstrip method takes one argument, and that argument has to be in a string format, and it can be any combination. It doesn't have to be in a strict order for us to remove the content. So if say we had ABC, we don't have to have an argument ABC to remove ABC. Alright? It could be CBA. Alright? Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. First we're going to create a string with a couple spaces in front of it. We'll say this is a string. And then we'll add a couple more spaces. Then we're going to call our lstrip string method. So it's period lstrip and parentheses parentheses. Now the default argument is white space, so that's what we're going for here. We want to remove the white space from the beginning of the string, and this is your white space right here. So when I hit return, you're going to see our string get we'll get a new string object with the white space removed. Alright, so what it did here is it went through the string and said, alright, white space, white space, white space, remove it, and it hit the T and said, oh, no more white space right here on the left side of the string, so I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to return a new string object that contains this right here. Alright, so once it hits a portion that's not an argument, it stops, and it returns this. Alright, so it's also case sensitive. So if we do A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we'll call it lstrip, and then like I said before, it has to be in a string format, the argument, so we'll do A, B, C, and we'll close out our string method with the parentheses, hit return, up, it returns to me the string A, B, C, D, E, F, because it's case sensitive. To prove that is true, let's do A, B, C, D, E, F, and call it lstrip, and with A, B, C, boom. DEF it returns. So it is case sensitive, so keep that in mind. Also, we can do something like let's say we have a program that asks a user for their website. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to get a user's website. We haven't really talked about this, so we do input. This will allow the user to input something. So we're going to say input, what is your website? Put a space at the end, close that out. So now when I hit return, I'm going to get what is your website. And if I put in a website, we'll do http www.learnpythontutorial.com, hit return, call A, and you can see we have our website here. Okay, well now I want to remove http ://www and the dot. I just want learnpythontutorial.com. Alright, to do that I'm going to do a lstrip, and then inside this I want to remove all this content. Now sure, I could copy this right here and put that in there, yeah, that would work, but we don't need to do that. We just need one character. So we need an H, we need a T, we don't need both T's, we just need a T, we need a P, we need a colon, we need a backslash, and we need a W. So let's do that. HTP colon backslash W. We'll close out our string, we'll close out our string method, hit return, and I forgot the period. So let's go up and adjust that. Now hit return, there you go. learnpythontutorial.com. Alright, so it removes the HTTP, the colon, the backslashes, the W, the W's, and the period. So, you know, if you're running some kind of website, or say you build an SEO application and you just want to return this to the user, well, maybe the lstrip is your way to go. Maybe there's another method you want to use. That's fine, but you can see it does give us the ability to remove stuff off the left side of the string. Alright, but some of the key points to remember here is it's case sensitive. Alright, the default value of the argument is white space, so it'll remove spaces. And that's about it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment on our YouTube channel or on our website at learnpythontutorial.com. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.